This is the cutest thing I've ever seen in my life. Enzo is sleeping on my packages. My heart. Oh. Hey everyone, it's Mary Beth from maryberrystudy. Welcome back to my YouTube channel and to another studio vlog. During this week's studio vlog, I'm going to be preparing for my next shop update, and it's going to be a really special one because it's going to be including, finally, the washi tapes that I have been working on since I think the second studio vlog, or maybe even the first one. It's been quite a while of these in the making, but they're finally going to be available today! So because the washi tapes are already made and I had them outsourced, I don't have as much of like the creating process that I have to do for this shop update, but instead I have to do a lot more of the behind the scenes, like figure out how to ship them. I also have to make the listing for them, and I already made a little sticker sheet that is going to go kind of alongside the washi tape. I want it to match because I know a lot of people will say that they want like stationery that kind of matches and goes together for their bullet journal spreads or whatever you might be using them for. So cute little sticker sheet that goes along with that. So I'm going to talk a little bit more about how I'm going to be mailing the washi tapes because it's going to be different than how I mail my normal stickers. Because mailing something in a package is much more expensive than mailing something in an envelope, I wanted to offer you guys a cheaper option to still get the washi tape but without breaking the bank. And the way that I'm going to go about this is by creating washi tape sample cards, and that's what you see me making here in this little clip. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to take about 24 inches of the blue tape and the pink tape and wrap it around this card. By having an option of offering the washi tape in this flat format, for my international friends, this is really going to make a big difference because shipping international from the US to another country can be around $16, and that's pretty steep for shipping. So creating this flat product and being able to put it in an envelope costs more, around $2, and that's about what my shipping is for international orders for stickers and flat envelopes. I'm just always thinking about costs for you guys. If you want washi tape or anything from my shop, I want to make sure it's accessible. I don't want anyone to see the shipping costs and be like, oh no, I can't afford it, I can't get it. So yeah, I hope you guys appreciate this method and that it works well for you. For all my USA friends out there, the washi tape sample card will also ship for less for you guys as well. So if you're looking to not pay as much in shipping, definitely check out the washi tape sample cards because it's more affordable than buying the whole roll. So I have everything uploaded onto my website in the way of washi tapes, and I'm calling this my rainbow shop update. So everything is up on the site. I'm gonna do a soft release for my patrons only, just to make sure the site is running smoothly and so I can get some practice on how to ship packages, because I've never mailed anything that was technically labeled as a package before, other than like on eBay. So this feels really new to me, and I'm using a shipping platform that should help me get cheaper costs to ship and also insurance on packages. But yeah, this is going to be a test run, and I'm really nervous about it. Good morning, guys, or should I say good afternoon. Last night the Rainbow update went live on Patreon, and so far it's going really well. The response has been really positive and I'm super excited. But now comes how I'm going to ship washi tapes, and I'm going to be shipping things as packaged for the first time, so it's like all new rules on how to do this. I'm trying to do my shipping through shippo.com. It's been recommended to me by a few people, and so far it's been great, and the customer service has been really helpful. And the reason why I'm also saying good afternoon is because it's already like 3 o'clock, because I spent the whole morning trying to figure out I just kept making mistakes on the shipping labels, and the customer service from Shippo was helping me out, and turns out my only issue was I had to round up the weight of the packages, and that's the reason why it wasn't letting me create a label. So thank you to them who figured it out. It's just a simple problem, but like it takes me hours to figure out what I did wrong. I also want to say that for international orders, I'm looking into getting insurance for them. Through Shippo, it only costs $1 extra, and from my understanding, it means that if your order is lost or doesn't come within a certain amount of days, which I think is like 40 days for international, you can message me and we should be able to file a claim and get the full refund back for the order, including shipping. So if that's correct, that's pretty awesome for only paying $1 extra to make sure that no matter what, you still get your order. I'm still looking into this to make sure it's all correct, but I believe that is the understanding. But yeah, I'm gonna make all international orders have that requirement, since a lot of my friends that are shop owners have been saying that orders have been getting lost and not arriving to customers. So if this insurance protects both you and myself, then we should definitely go for it. Hello everyone, I just got off work and I'm at the post office now. I have a few of the washi tape packages to send, and it's going to be my first time sending them. I have a variety of different types of packages to send, so I'm hoping that the post office is able to accept all of them, and that the shipping label and just everything is just okay with them. I hope nothing is wrong. I just feel like whenever I go to the post office, like I feel like a big dummy and I don't know what I'm doing, and so let's hope this goes well. Alright y'all, man, I feel like I look like a bird. Okay, so post office took everything. They said everything was fine, so we're good for the shop to go open on Friday, and if you're watching this now, today. So yay! friends, so it is Friday. It is the day of the shop update. It's actually going to be in like 1 hour, I think, so I need to hurry up and get the studio vlog up and make all the final preparations for the shop. But I just wanted to wrap up this studio vlog by showing what's all involved in this shop update. Of course, we have the rainbow washi tapes. It's available in a pink background as well as a blue background. I also have the rainbow washi tape, rainbow sticker sheet that is going to match the washi tapes, so perfect for journaling or whatever you're going to be doing with them. I also am having, like I said earlier and talked extensively about, the washi tape sample cards. Definitely check them out if you're looking for a cheaper shipping option. And lastly, something I did not say is I'm going to be stocking a bunch of Oops sticker bags. If you don't know what these are, it's when, normally when a sticker shop has sticker sheets that didn't cut exactly correctly, like they might be shifted off by like 1 millimeter, or sometimes the color printed a little bit off. I'm very picky with my stickers and I make sure they're very good quality, and if like one sticker sheet or one sticker is like shifted 1 millimeter, like only one, I throw it in the oops pile because like quality is really important to me. So these oops bags are my stickers that I set aside that were kind of less than perfect, but the benefit of these is they're sold for a discount. Each sticker is $1. I sell it for $5, so there's 5 sticker sheets in here. I do 4 of the big ones and then 1 of the smaller sticker sheets that I have. You can probably kind of see through in these. I don't have much left because my patrons gobbled up a lot of them during the early access, so I think there's probably like 7 here or so. So if you want one of these, definitely check them out. They tend to sell out fast, so if you want one, go for them now. And yeah, that's all I have for the shop update. Not that big, but big items in it, if that makes sense. But yeah, I'm really excited. I'm really nervous. I'm shaking. I drank too much coffee again. So I hope you guys like everything. Thank you so much for always supporting me, believing in me, leaving such kind, positive message down below in the description or in the comment section below. You guys are just always so sweet to me and just really keep me going and make me feel like I can do something. Check out the shop update if you're interested. All my socials are linked down below if you want to follow me on anything. I'll be posting updates on the shop update. Over on Instagram. So keep an eye on that for more information. And yeah, I hope you enjoy everything and I'll see you guys next week. Bye.